Benjamin Franklin once praised the turkey as being a much more respectable bird than the bald eagle. Turkeys can run at speeds up to 25 miles per hour and fly as fast as 55 miles per hour in short bursts. However, the domesticated turkeys are too heavy to fly. They also have 3 times better vision than humans. Good thing it's a prey animal, cause that sounds kinda terrifying. Male turkeys are called gobblers because of the sound they make to announce themselves to females. The wild turkey was hunted nearly to extinction by the early 1900s, when the population reached a low of around 30,000 birds. But restoration programs have brought the numbers up to 7 million today. A turkey's gender can be determined from its droppings. Males produce spiral-shaped poop, and females' poop is shaped like the letter J. Comment down below if your name starts with a J. Benjamin Franklin once praised the turkey as being a much more respectable bird than the bald eagle.